I'm Assistant Professor Ria Elena Rebello from Department of Commerce, Rosary College of Commerce and Arts, Navali, Goa. The topic that I'm going to speak today is on components of tourism product. Components of tourism product. The first component is attraction. Attraction has been the most important component of tourism product. Different places have different products to offer. Now mainly there are three types of attraction. Firstly, natural attraction. Now natural attractions are natural sceneries like oceans, lakes, mountains, beaches, rivers, wildlife and so on. Whereas cultural attractions are art, handicraft, belief, religion, language, local food and so on. Special attractions include artificial beauty or man-made beauty like aquarium, museum, entertainment, park, zoo, athletic stadium and so on. For example, Goa is one of the preferred tourist destinations in India, as Goa is well known for its beaches, churches, temples, waterfalls, lakes and various other adventure activities. Likewise, there are many other states like Kerala, Karnataka which attracts tourists from all over the world. So it's only because of the attraction component, many of the tourists are motivated to visit a particular place. Second component of tourism product is accommodation. Now accommodation is a place where tourists can find food and shelter. So it is basically a hotel wherein tourists can find the basic services and all other facilities like food and beverage, recreational facilities, parking facilities, swimming pool, spa facilities, business centers and so on. So as far as possible, accommodation should be comfortable as well as safe. Different types of hotels are required in order to meet the needs of domestic as well as foreign tourists. Now accommodation plays a very important role to tourist destination. When it comes to accommodation, they are divided into various types like hotels, lodging, resort, etc. When it comes to hotel, they are subdivided into residential hotel, commercial hotel, resort hotel, international hotel, floating hotel, airport hotel, conference hotel, convention hotel, 5-star hotel, 4-star, 3-star and so on. Third factor of tourism product is transport. Transport includes the infrastructure like roads, airport, railways, etc. So excise is a subject of transport infrastructure and transport technology. Transport infrastructure includes airports, motorways, rail networks. Transport technology becomes important in the form of cost of travel and the time consumed in reaching the destination. That is, good transportation and communication is important so that tourists can easily move from one place to another. Different means of transportation like airways, railways, road transportation and waterways should be easily available to tourists. So transportation is a means by which tourists can reach the area where attractions are located. So if tourist destinations are located in a particular places where there is no transportation available, then that particular attraction becomes little or no value. Therefore, transportation should be there for all types of tourists as well as for destination. Another point which I mentioned here is the three critical factors in transportation are cost, convenience and speed. Cost in the sense how economical the transportation is. Convenience again is another important factor in transportation, and the speed, that is how fast they reach to the place of their destination. For example, if a foreign tourist want to visit Kerala, there should be good transportation available to them at reasonable cost, convenience and speed. The fourth component of tourism product is support and auxiliary services. Now all these services and facilities add more value to the tourist destination. It includes restaurants, recreation and shopping. Restaurant includes all types of cuisine like Western, Oriental, Indian and so on. All these cuisine are important for travelers moving from one place to another. Second service is recreation. Recreation includes entertainment, sports, activity, theatre, music, dance, nightclub, meetings. Now all these activities attract tourists to a particular destination. Shopping. Even tourists also look for various shopping like artistic handicraft, handloom, books, etc. All these are purchased by tourists and are taken back as memories of whichever places visited by them.